young eggs in it and brood, nectar. There's young eggs down in here. There are spotty spots of nectar. You able to see them down in there? I think the other side's kind of got the same thing.
We're a little close.
Well, these are a little bit bigger larvae on this side. And right here's a queen. She's kind of on the small side. She was a queen out of hive 3 when there was a bunch of queen cells, which is the daughter of hive 5, which recently got replaced. So if we combine, we was talking earlier about combining hive 5 with this one, so they are family. They're not giving her a whole lot of room for brood, it don't look like.
You're gonna put one of them empty ones over there.
I might, yeah. Like you just said, which I was getting ready to say.